So we're at the Future Electronics 2019 Sales and Marketing Conference, and we're here with Paul Mitchell of Diodes. Paul, what are you showing us today?
Okay, so what we've got today, we've got some LED lighting. So the LED lighting, you can control temperature, colour, different lights can show in different ways.
That's all from your mobile phone?
All we can control from the mobile phone. The diodes parts are contained within the lamp itself. So the app obviously is not a diodes product, but the app allows you to then control the lighting. Within the lighting as well, what we've also got is we've got demonstration here. This is a Class D audio amplifier. So here we've got 3mm by 3mm square product, which produces a 3-watt audio output, Class D. So it's one of the smallest audio products that's available. We've got demonstrations here on Hall sensors, which are used in a lot of applications, based where you're looking for open and closure, or you're looking for flow of air or liquid. Right. You do measurements. And we've got a very, very interesting piezo alarm, which is designed for fire alarms, smoke detectors, and by using that product, it reduces the component count by about a third. Wow. For the customer. So again, a lot of added advantages for the customer.
Thanks, Paul.